guess what u is going to be? The arc sine of 2x. Then what's du dx? 1 over the square root of 1 minus 2x squared times 2. Because we have this formula memorized for the derivative of the arc sine. All right. So if we divide both sides by 2, we'll have 1/2 of du. Multiply both sides by dx, we have dx over the root. And that's this piece of our integrand. So we can rewrite this with our u substitution. Dx over the root is 1/2 du. And that leaves arc sine of 2x, which is u. And the antiderivative of u is u squared over u, so we have 1/2 of that, which is 1/4 u squared plus c.